Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add smoke on your Tinder app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to next window here or this window, and you just click here. Then it's gonna to take you to your profile here, and you go down here. So you just come here to smoke in here, you click, and it's going to take you here. And here so how often do you smoke? Here you add how you smoke often. Here social smoker with drinking, or smoker or not smoker. So you just click and it's going to add video. I wish now you are get it. That's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.